Hello, student. Today we will discuss the new chapter, second chapter of Geography of Class 6. So, students, you know everybody that the second chapter of Geography of Class 6 is globe, latitude and longitudes. So, we will discuss today about the globe. So, have you seen students globe? Yes, I think you all have seen the globe, even in the table of the principal in schools and your house also. Whenever you go in any office, most of the people like to keep globe in a side of the corner of the table. So we have to know about the globe, the importance of globe, what is globe, why we use globe, and when we see on the globe, we find that the name of different the countries, different continents, which is shown on the globe by the different colors. The mountains we can see on the globe. We whenever we see globe minutely, we can know about some of the lines which are drawn vertically, and some of them horizontally. So students, we have to know about all these in this chapter. So let's start the globe, latitudes and the longitudes. Globe, first we have to know about the globe. What is globe? So we can say that globe is the true model of the earth. As we know that globe looks like the earth. हम सब क्या करते हैं, ग्लोब को क्यों रखते हैं? क्योंकि हम जानते हैं कि ग्लोब एक पृथ्वी की तरह, यानी कि हम सोचते हैं पृथ्वी भी इसी तरह है, और हम उसे नचाते भी हैं. आप देखते हैं ग्लोब को नचा देते हैं ग्लोब को. तो वी हैव टू नो अबाउट द ग्लोब. वी नो दैट ग्लोब इज द ट्रू मॉडल ऑफ द अर्थ. अब बात यहाँ ये है कि ये बनती किस चीज से है ग्लोब. तो बच्चों, ग्लोब में भी आइदर ऑफ वुड का बना हो सकता है. सो वी कैन से इट्स द वुडन मॉडल ऑफ द अर्थ, or it is also made of plastics, balloon, etc. and etc. There are so many materials through which the globes are made. So globes, if you have been asked what is globe is the true model of the earth, यानी कि miniature form of the earth. It is miniature form of the earth on which we can collect the information about the earth, countries, oceans, sea, mountains, etc. and etc. So now we have to know about the lines. So let's start the lines which are drawn on the globe. Students, whatever the line we see on the globe, actually these line we cannot see on the ground, and that's why we say that these are imaginary lines. But to know this line, it is drawn on the globe, which gives us so many information. Especially through this line we know the actual location of the countries, a particular place. We know the distance between the two countries or place. So let's start latitudes and longitudes. What are these lines? Students, the lines which are drawn on the globes, you see vertically and horizontally. So the lines which are drawn horizontally, these are called the latitudes, and the line which are drawn vertically, दैट इज कॉल्ड लॉन्गिट्यूड. से हिंदी में समझें कि ग्लोब पर आप देखेंगे, गोल जो मॉडल ऑफ द अर्थ है वह क्या होता है, उस पर आप देखेंगे ऐसे गोल गोल जो है वो लाइन खींचा हुआ रहता है कुछ दूरी पर. बिकॉज सो मेनी लाइन्स हम पढ़ेंगे इसमें, लेकिन इंपॉर्टेंट लैटिट्यूड्स ही उस पर खींचा हुआ रहता है. तो वो लाइन्स जो होते हैं वो लैटिट्यूड्स कहलाते हैं, यानी कि जिसे हम हॉरिजेंटली क्षैतिज रूप में जिसे हम देखेंगे गोल गोल पश्चिम से पूरब या पूरब से पश्चिम कहेंगे, तो ये लाइन जो है लैटिट्यूड्स कहलाते हैं, यानी कि हिंदी में उसे हम अक्षांश रेखा अक्षांश रेखा कहते हैं. सो वेन एवर यू आस्क व्हाट इज लैटिट्यूड्स, हाउ कैन यू डिफाइन? द लैटिट्यूड्स आर द लाइन्स विच ड्रॉन ऑन द ग्लोब horizontally, that is called latitudes. And longitudes, the lines which are drawn on the globe vertically, these are longitudes. Latitudes are parallel to each other. So the biggest latitudes are called equator, which divides the earth into two equal halves, which is 0 degree. We know 0 degree latitude is equator, and this is the biggest circle. As we go upward and downward, the circles become shorter. So now the above 23.5 degree, when we go above the equator, that is the Tropic of Cancer. As well as we go down to the equator 23.5 degree, that is Tropic of Capricorn. And as we move towards the upwards, at 66.5 degree, that is called the Arctic Circle. And downward, that is called Antarctic Circle. So equator 0 degree, 23.5 degree, the Tropic of Cancer upwards, and Arctic Circle 66.5 degree. And when we move towards the downward, the globes, the 23.5 degree in north south, that is called Tropic of Capricorn, and 66.5 degree Antarctic Circle. And above the point on the globe, that is North Pole, and in the bottom, that is South Pole. So students, that North Pole, South Pole, equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. Once again you revise: equator, these are the important latitudes and which are parallel to each other. So the biggest latitude, equator, which is 0 degree, 23.5 degree latitude, that is Tropic of Cancer, 66.5 degree latitude, that is called Arctic Circle, and 23.5 degree the circle to the south, that is called Tropic of Capricorn, 66.5, that is called Antarctic Circle, and the point tip on the bottom, that is called South Pole, and top, that is called North Pole. Now we have to know that the globe divides the earth into two equal halves. So the upper part of the earth is known as the northern hemisphere, and the downward part means the southern part, that is called southern hemisphere. So the earth is divided into two equal halves by the equator, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. So latitudes, now we will know about the important parallels of latitudes. We know Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree, 23.5 degree Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, and Antarctic Circle. So we will read about the heat zone in the next video. Thank you very much.